Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Eric Ash.
There is a low pressure system that's hanging out in the Gulf of Alaska that's going to kick off a wave, and that's going to develop into its own low pressure system and swing a cold front through our area tomorrow. And what that means is high winds and snowfall until at least Saturday. The lower elevations will start with rain to begin with tomorrow, but then valley floors will get snow on Thursday, perhaps some of the Snake River Plain, and then Saturday all of us widespread will see snow. But for today, we're going to stay remaining with strong breezes today and higher winds tomorrow. National Weather Service issued a winter storm watch ahead of this cold front starting late tomorrow morning, all day Friday, and then into Saturday afternoon. 8 to 12 inches during this time frame. And if you're above 7,000 feet, 1 to 2 feet of additional snow. High wind warning for the orange up there around the Centennials there. This is for most of the day tomorrow into late night, 40 to 50 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour. And then in the yellow, Snake River Plain, part of the Central Mountains, Challis, Mackay, we are looking at to be extended into Friday afternoon as well. 25 to 35 mile per hour winds with gusts up to 55. Today, we are back to being warm compared to yesterday. We were pretty chilly yesterday, but now we're back to a little more reasonable temperatures. Pocatello 43, Idaho Falls and Blackfoot both have a high of 41. American Falls also has a high the same as Pocatello with 43 degrees. Southeast Highlands, similar, partly cloudy skies, similar to the Snake River Plain, temperatures in the 30s, just a bit cooler, wind chills in the 20s. Central Mountains, chance of snow near Stanley, the Stanley Basin into the evening time, and temperatures 30s, low 40s. And for the Eastern Highlands, chance of snow for the Northeast Idaho and into Yellowstone as well, and that'll linger into the nighttime into tomorrow also, and temperatures will be at freezing for Du Bois and below freezing for the rest of these locations. Yellowstone the coldest with a high temperature of 23. Tonight for the Snake River Plain, Pocatello 29, Idaho Falls, Blackfoot 27 degrees, wind chills getting down into the teens, very cold, partly cloudy skies. Southeast Highlands, and also temperatures will be in the 20s, mostly 15 for Montpelier, and then Central Mountains in the teens and 20s. Eastern Highlands continuing with some snowfall, teens, and 21 for Du Bois. For tomorrow, we're going to start to see the arrival of precipitation with this cold front in the afternoon, early evening in the afternoon. Precipitation widespread for East Idaho. That cold front's moving from the northwest, traveling southeast, and that's going to bring high winds with it as well. So snow rain mix to begin with for lower elevations, and then we will trend colder, especially towards Sunday. Sunday is our coldest day, trending colder, more solid precipitation and snowfall, more widespread snowfall. Starting with the Central Mountains, the Southeast Idaho Chevy dealer 7-day forecast, a high temperature of 37 today, and then for Pocatello, we have a high of 43 today, and then for Blackfoot, we have a high of 41, and then moving on to Idaho Falls, the high temperature for this afternoon, 41 degrees. Staying windy for the next couple of days, and for the Teton area, a high temperature of 30. Back to you, Deanne.